macho we dey me nya biem ensi biem the first thing they say make am ho indirectly person o tell us your party ni enjoy ebone kura ja no na abai bia so slow opposition me tie say MPP ko opposition a abe pa cause me tisu kasa national communication team member of the ruling party keke ayemi madam for NDC ni bi no kan asem so sori no hu se John Mahama na president a wani di kura na ye cause onim say ne man pedi na ti so sa so na nyina so ye pre but Galamsey or mining in essence ya jetum say gold itu a nya won faso de but there one want say are the gold proceeds benefiting us directly che papa ya se mo kan ya lecturer Dr. Abdallah ni na kai asema okay say illegal miners to me at the group waste not their exporting gold
yeah
where are the systems so that is why I keep asterisking monitoring and supervision
trading gold illegally
yes so IPMMC
yeah
and that's a precious mineral marketing PMMC so much yenye ujidi pass ko share ba bi betumi di gold at ne bag matu kwan I want him mene wo you betumi kita gold say we sim de tu kwan
so they fine
which means the people involved are high tech
yes
which all of us must be truthful enough to stop because it's when you not say Papa share one of the greatest security threats is for sickness to overtake your nation. Ade hupa betumi abo man. Eye so bi atutu say yare adokoro manfo no. Yare adokoro manfo. Anything they say health is life. And every prosperous nation needs a healthier generation. Or maybe a betumpo no ehia enipa wa pomudene. Enti ye to gold. Why didn't say we do to your bank cry? Oh, go to so now, standard water, near and what much is what you come. Standard water, I go home. Need to win back home, be bien war, the much is what. But we are in so the Denny identity at the quarter crowd, the only cotton. And just why didn't say who send would go bank cry? Over my name, so now, Yayan war, Grabosono, and when I be look as what now beton. Let's say an idiot. I guess you be too good. I say Binyeska. Nembo, me who be on this good plate to make you read that. What the better idea? Yes, say be beer because you're Piscano. And ya dear a beboa. And Jenny Diemu, ye 4 point pack. I a dear a bay yeno, Yanfanye. Now, so your phone to Miss Rabom. I won't say that don't bear no a year before, say before ye. Now so. Anamutu amutu na tisa besi pani ko na haban etasini benyansa fo yema yakuma di anim kase pe yema say de ni say no de
well I think the information minister make a statement we say where the instruction has been given
yes
where they've been directed to go and act so mu go beyond that and it is in some can be how say no muka
exactly
because I had a yama designated area that say ensure so na afidie si akwa instruction them on what this but to be why I say what we run a concession if you issues now question there and say
yeah be need the say extra gold survive for you sure see because ideally you can see where they are no in Sobia and that baby are yes no may reclamation there all boils down to supervision and monitoring but all said and done you be see soldier for ni panel ko ni nyina so say yes fear bia mensem awom in case you are so heading out of the back one say, may yet nenko say, what's the yenty? Afia ma canny betchy, said a bay and Nibamina bufu at the Chabai. I bind ye both typa or pepani or dog and only 2 and more woody. Also, I am more busy upon a coyano, far chimpa, nitrimu papa, etrimupo, intention, a bimodecon, a beer and any dear to intention. Some people want to deliberately do certain things to cause mayhem. Say a baby be made us say a day. You man may hunt it. She saw the new year video say China for about 1 kilometer away no more de droben pipe dia tuma betu nsuo no mu omo ye wia no omo san mani komu no fantastic job
in fact or active professionally so they you know born abaso
papa enyina ye born abaso but obi wo so say o me mitiri mu po me de bo apayonti me koje ni say said they be aban ni bebu ase because Ganam say yes ni bi kan say soldier for no ba week be on be 30,000 every group week be 30,000 to be free one no kita be 3 million
no omobuka
aban na wo say no na mo menye wa adwen say wo say aban woni nam ho ya bibi betumi ato a wo be hia nsuo ye mbankran emmese nsuo mrawo ye be ma wo de omo fra no pure water na ya ye no water ba kemu wo no ase ye sibi so no hey you can sieve and sieve to take mercury out of water it's a difficult task wo the chlorine be gumu sai particles ni bi beka ebe ma on cancer ebe ma be ma dwiba ebia obeko beba no wabenye bi ba no wanye sika wantu entiti ni yi ebekum so the effect of Galamsey at Sefidwaboso is the same effect on me in Accra because minim baby a nsuo na me ba metono me no ye no ena minim baby a aduane bi a me to wo Madina market no ye dua no because e kwa asase ni mu no banchi twibi bayire atwibi koko twibi mankai twibi sweet potato akotwibi ebeba na yakoto na yakodi obebi se won se yare ma ya minim minkodi baby boni bia so wato mercury banchi e wo Madina market wato no mala tadum obi kwa de atwam e de aba from antem ti baby a woti bia no kai na hu se a piercing peg at the extreme end is equally sharp to pierce you at the other end na men kan ye ho ni nyina ye fa oto ene biako ye ne ahofoma pa ne akomapa emma Ghana emfa ne ntuma penfra
all right
ni finfin man tom for mesramo ye ma me mary gold bo ne homodin ye tai na chi ne ye Galamsey nsensem no enkofo na mansin no emfa ne ntuma penfra
central region area be no mo ye Galamsey no
central region only about 8 districts na ye Galamsey central region
8 penenye
only 8 to say 8 me fan say skuma adwuma kon Abuna East Abuna West Utusenya East Utusenya West apam infantiman yes nkaifo ni nyina omo wo traces
or central region
asin south obenya ni trace asin north obenya ni trace asin central obenya ni trace abra sebu obenya ni trace chefo praso chefo himan lo wadenchira abadenchira east abadenchira west diaso omo nyina no ho de deep
Galamsey side
and a Cape Coast site ne kra no matese de ko Buti when you Buti Falls Kakum National Park what side no so no there was an emergency omo try to omesiano na enko harding because central region angasa naturally do ye wopo insusem no na haye until say be fi krum na de be augment ye we no region de
bana de o kika nyina no Galamsey no memetie yi Miniska I can't instruct anybody to go and mine mining no ehia sika emodu how many this sika na ba because o hwe mining e fidie o mototo yi asika fo e okrom na toto
eno na make say obi wo say onko obi da onye Galamsey but you sponsor Galamsey
o techiri na the sika shem
yes
near the scanner brand
and as mu nkotu na mo femlemento indirectly una wuri oye papa eburo ye fe ko bu blemento tonwe okobu no de ba una wa mana wia ti una oye konfo nti media nti na mede mensa to mensa me pacha wo say baby adu no ehu no as a health and safety person our health is under threat because of illegal mining our health is under threat